Hello, Chef here with some more sharpening tips and tricks for you. I want to show you the clip, the guide clip, very special clip. Stainless steel, plastic line, goes around the knife, no damage. I like it. This is a special wide knife here. It's in between a chef knife and a cleaver. I really like it. You can find more information on this exact knife at the sponsor right there. They're having a sale on these. So, I'm going to show you two ways to get it sharper. Good. We're going to check it on a piece of paper once more. Another piece of paper here. It's sharper, a little bit. Now I got one more step for you to make this knife really sharp. The custom-made leather strop. Yeah. You can only get this at one place. That's your sponsor there. So I'm just going to take and polish the back like this. Repeat. Alright, now you can just notice the edge of the blade is biting in a little bit better. So my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight. A little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. And it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now.